People, welcome again to the second uh, chapter of this particular series, Adding Elements. Now, you can see the way we created this HTML structure. Remember, we talked about all these things, what they represent, So I'm going to Control Z to undo. Okay, sorry, Control Z to undo. So let me remove this. So now when you type HTML, you click on HTML5, then you brought out the structure. If you don't want to do that, you can use Shift 1. Okay, when you press Shift 1, say you get me, Shift 1 will give you this exclamation, okay, this option, and you can see what is showing here, image abbreviation. So just click enter, or you click this first one, and then it brings out the HTML structure for you. So that's another way of getting the HTML structure. So remember, we want to talk about the heading element. Okay, so the first heading element, I told you heading element starts from H1 to H6. So the first one is H1. Okay, and I want to show you the difference in all these things and where you can use it. But now, so what do we do? Now, the first one, H1, so you just type H. The moment you type H, you will see options. Image is there to help you. So don't stress yourself. Just click on the H1, right? Once you click on the H1, you have your stuff. Okay, now in this lecture I'm not going to be teaching you about so much about VS Code. If you want to learn of VS Code, there are many videos that can help you online on studying VS Code. I'll just teach you basic things, what you need to get started in this series. Now, so once you click on H1, okay, you can type in your content. Remember we talked about the opening tag. Your content is in between the tags. Say heading, I'm going to put here heading 1. Okay, now if you look at what we discussed in our note, this beginning here, let me make this thing bold so that you can see it very well. Okay, let me make it bold. I want to believe you can see it very well. You can see at the beginning here, you have the H1. Okay, this is heading 1. I mean, that's the opening tag, and then you have the closing tag. The closing tag is the one with the word /. You can see the closing tag. Okay, so that's the opening tag, that's the closing tag, and then in between you have the content. So let us launch this and see what happens. So right click. Are you getting me now? Once you right click, then you see open with live server. Remember the live server extension we installed. Open with live server, run the server. Okay, so the server will display the static HTML. You can see heading 1 on your browser. You can see your domain, which is localhost 5500 / heading.html. This heading.html is the HTML page, HTML file you created, because every file created in an HTML represents a page. Are you getting me now? So that's the HTML page. You can see that heading 1, right? This is heading 1, right? And if you look at the title is showing document. Let me show you where this one comes from. Okay, let me show you. Let me minimize. So see the document. You can change the title to what you want. You can call it heading elements. That's what we want to show here. Heading elements. That's what we have here. Can you see that? So that's your H1. So I press enter. I go to the next one. I type H again. The next one I need here is H2. So I click on H2. What do I want to write here? I want to write heading what? Heading 2. Right? Heading 2. And so that won't give us what you want. So I'm going to pause here. In the next class, I will show you the next element. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe and recommend our channel to other people, your friends.